Welcome back to Benemosh Graphics again. In today's video, we are going to be doing a design breakdown of this social media design that I just created months ago. So we are going to be doing a design breakdown. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be uh, seeing how I was able to come out with this idea, how I was able to come from ideation to execution. So without further ado, let's move straight into the tutorial. So first of all, uh, this design was inspired by my mentor, which is Chigozie. So if you are following this channel, you will get to know that I have been following Chigozie, and then this design was also inspired by this guy right here, this designer right here. So behind every design there is somebody that is behind the design. I hope you understand. Behind every design there is some inspiration that is behind the design. So you have to understand that behind every great designer there is something that he's using that you have not seen before, so which I'm revealing in my tutorials to make sure my audience understand design very well, because in order to create designs you need to understand all these principles that the pros are hiding from you. So this design was also inspired by this guy, which I admire so far, and then Chigozie. So I got from the resources, all these resources was placed with a reason. All these resources was placed with a reason. So let me close all this, and then you'll see how I was able to came out with this idea. See how I was able to came out with this idea. So first of all, this is a background that I downloaded from Pinterest. So all the resources that I used in this design was from Pinterest. So first of all, what I search for is rough background. When you search for rough background, you get many backgrounds that you can choose for that suits your design, and then that suits what you have visualized and you want to put it to the audience. So first of all, I downloaded this background, and then I set it as a background. Then what I brought first was this house right here. So if you notice, this house is having something here. This house is having something here like a clock. So I brought this. First of all, this design was to like inspire creativity, inspires like creative people. They are like welcome to May, and then this house also like serve as time, because like creativity takes time. Creativity takes time. So this house has like a clock, so it means like for you to build a house it takes time, you get. So that is the reason why I used this house. It was not used by mistake. I want you to understand that everything you see was not used by mistake. So second, I brought this step by step, this thing here. This one too was just brought by like to create something of creativity takes step by step. So for you to understand very well, let me bring this image so that you understand very well, because you see like this image like corroborates with this step by step this thing, so that it creates a sense of curiosity, like willing to do more and then willing to learn more. If you see from the reaction of the video, from the picture. So all these elements that I brought here was brought by a reason, not just placed by mistake, no, or just to like I brought this element to make sure the design is good, but it was by a reason that I brought all those elements here. So I don't want this video to be long. So the other element was this happy, this and that, and this and that. So let me bring them. So first of all, I brought this thing, happy weekend charm. May creativity. Let me bring this also. Happy weekend charm. May your creativity never run out of strategy. So I brought this and I placed it strategically. This is left alignment, and I place it strategically because what I want to pass to my audience is May. Like it serve as May, and it's also serve as month of May. You see how strategic I place all this, because it was May, so I created this design for like social media, May designs. But it serves as two things. It serves as May, and it serves as like a word, May. Your creativity never run out of strategy. This is what I was trying to create to sense to my audience. And then I brought this, if you can sense it, I brought this ways in order to make the design spicy. This is the only ways I normally do this in my designs, to make them spicy. So that is the reason why I brought this. Then I brought this also, and then that. So I brought this also, then I brought this. So this like this creativity sense of like coming from the guy, coming from the picture, this sense as like this whole design is sense for creativity people. So a sense, as you are a designer, you need to be creative. This is all about the design, because as a designer, you need to be creative at what you do. And then this creates this element right here, this image right here, creates like curiosity to know more about your creative work and everything. So that is why I sense this arrow into the from the head to the creativity, this thing. So I brought this light and all this let me bring it here. So I brought all these elements right here, right here, to make a sense of balance, and then all these things was not just brought by mistake, because I got all these things from this designer right here, because I first said this design was inspired by this designer and Chigozie. So first of all, you see we have something right here, so I got this from this guy to use it, which is very good for me, so I decided to use it. And then I got inspiration from this designer also to use, like, you see this, like a flight. So that is where I got the inspiration from, to use this house to sense like a creativity house. For you to build your creativity, you need time to build your creativity. And this light also sense, if you want to download this lamp, it's from Pinterest. When you search for lamp, light lamp, you'll get it from there. So all these things, I'll tag all their keywords in the comment section. So if you need them, I'll tag all of the elements right here. There are keywords in this comment section, and the font that I use in the comment section. So when you check the comment section, you see all those things. So this is just like sense as creative thinking, because all my designs is visualization. I visualize it first before bringing it to life. So thank you for watching, and also if you have not subscribed, I will urge you to subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell, because I'm creating a course on how to still like an artist as a designer, because I've seen so many people creating designs from people, like when they see design like this, they create like exactly as that, and then sometimes they do change content, but this is just sense as like unmature designer. And then people can call you out of that. Designers can call you out of that, because it sounds like a rumor to them, like you are stealing their designs. And this can also affect you in so many ways. It can affect you in your how to position yourself as a designer, and like you'll be losing a lot of opportunities. So I'm creating a course on how to still like an artist as a designer. So if you don't want to miss out, subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification bell, so that if the course launch, you'll be able to get an earlier adopter to the course with a discount. So until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.